In the last video, we have handled the most complicated procedure to handle the consistent and inconsistent issue under the AHP. And in this video, we will finish the final step to erase the decision alternative. After we handle those inconsistent issues using the normalization and averaging technique, we can have all of the relative number for each attribute and also sub-attribute. Then the next step is try to put those number to compute the figure. For example, since we have obtained the relative priority for the performance, scalability, and the cost as 0.65, 0.12, and 0.23, we just put those numbers under the AHP figure correspondingly. Suppose we have obtained all of the number through the calculations behind, then we just put all of the relative priority for those sub-attribute as well. And we just follow the similar step to give all of the number between the super software, ultra software, and then in-house software under the criteria of the speed, as well as the reliability, scalability, and also the cost. Then we compute the whole figures. The final step is to perform the erasions. We need to know which software development will be the best, super software, ultra software, or in-house software. To perform the erasions, we just need to identify the total relative number as the priority. For example, like the super software, it includes 4 sets of the multiple numbers. The first set of the multiple number come from 0.65 times 0.17 times 0.3 plus the second set of the multiplied numbers, and it includes 4 parts. And eventually, we will obtain the relative priority as 0.457. We just go through this mechanism of each software, like the ultra software, and then to obtain all of the number. And we can observe that the number of the set of the multiple number should be equal to 4 because there are 4 arrows pointing to this ultra software. Following this mechanism, we obtain the priority of 0.2xx for the ultra software and 0.255 for the in-house software. Then, which one should we select? We will select the super software because the relative priority is the highest amongst 3 of them. The value is 0.457 is highest. Why do we choose the highest priority? This is because the original meaning of the value comes from the relative importance between 2 attributes. Recall in the previous part, we give the value of higher number if one attribute is more important than the other. And due to this logic, the highest number means more important. And because of that, we have computed all of the decisions considerations and then eventually to give us the systematic erasions. AHP basically aims to resolve the complex multi-criteria decisions problem, and it is very useful as it involves the inputs from the decision maker and then perform some systematic method to perform the erasions. That's all for the AHP method. Thank you.